Salt in the air, the day's growing old. An old dog sits watching the tide unfold. He left our initials deep in the sand, holding the summer inside our hands. Oh, the moonlight was our sweetest escape. Under the stars we drew our own shape. Secrets we whispered right by the sea. Just the ocean, the dark, and you and me. Years drift away like ships in the night, but that golden twilight still burns so bright. He's still on the shoreline howling at the moon, hoping that summer returns to us soon.